Hello guys, I'm Diwakar back with another new cool video, and in this cool video, I'm going to show iPhone X gestures on OnePlus 5T. All you have to head over to the settings and then buttons and click on hide navigation bar. There it sits. You will get to a tutorial and then you can use iPhone X gestures on your OnePlus 5T. But the basic requirement is that you need to update your Oxygen OS stable ROM to Open Beta 3. There are three major updates in Open Beta 3. They are, you can use iPhone X gestures on your OnePlus 5T, and the second one is that now the clipboard problem is now resolved, and the third is you will get Android Audio on your phone. But Oreo was available from Open Beta 1. The only disadvantage on using iPhone X gestures on OnePlus 5T is that you can't use Google Assistant by long pressing the home button because there is no home button to press. So thanks for watching guys. I'm Diwakar signing off, and I will meet you in the next one. And until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye, and don't forget to watch our previous videos. Hope you like this video.